testing we are doing with the driver. Our engineers are implementing the load on the both side. However, this dyno is made in a affordable price that every college can afford. Hello everyone, this is Himanshu from Evskilllab, which is an initiative by SkyScale Academy. So today we have a new product that is two-wheeler dyno set with a variable load. You can see the facility. This is a basic dyno that we have created, and there is a roller underneath. And you can see this. This is a vehicle, and this is a ratchet set to impact mechanical load on the setup. And you can see this is a control panel where you can see the voltage, current, RPM, different load as a parameters. So now the vehicle is in no load condition. Now we'll impact the load. And now you can see the load, it is showing 24 kgs. Now we'll try to increase the RPM by throttling the vehicle. Now you see this RPM is 104, and you can see this three phases of the motor's three-phase data, and you can see the voltage and current, they are all differing gradually. While this load is fixed as a 26 and the RPM is changing. Now this is a basic category of dyno where only data display is happening when because the client's need was basics dyno. In case we want to get this data on a system or data logging system, that also can be done with the system. So based on the need, we customize this particular item. So if at all you need to have a basic dyno, which is quite affordable, the cost of the regular dyno goes up to 50 lakhs onwards. However, this dyno is made in a affordable price that every college can afford. So in case you want this kind of setup at your Evskilllab, or if you want to set up your own Evskilllab, feel free to reach out to Evskilllab, which is www.evskilllab.com, or call us. The numbers are displayed in the website. So with this, your student will get a complete hands-on experience of two-wheeler dyno system and a different data, the different running conditions of the vehicle. Thank you very much.